Is there a way to make cutting plywood easier, faster, safer, and more efficient? Now there is. Introducing the J-Bar. The J-Bar is a third-hand tool that aids in cutting sheet material with a circular saw. Made out of quality steel, all made and manufactured in the USA. Use the J-Bar to cut sheet material any length, any width, up to 3/4 inches thick, including fiberglass, sheet metal, drywall, and wood. You can set up the J-Bar on the back of a truck bed, on a workbench, and even on the ground. Plus, the U-shaped design protects the blade and lifts the material off the ground. It's simple to set up and even easier to use. It will save you time and money. The J-Bar is a perfect gift for anyone who likes to make home improvements, or if you're a contractor or business owner who wants to be faster and more efficient with the resources you have, or working safer by preventing saw kickback. To set up the J-Bar, first, strike your line to make your in and out cut points. Second, lift sheet material, then place the J-Bar beneath each side of the material. Third, run the saw along the line through the U-channel design. The J-Bar uses counterweight to hold the material in place after the cut is complete. Make a cut and you're done. The J-Bar comes as a set for one price of $149.99. The J-Bar is handcrafted, high-quality steel that will last for generations. Every piece of this tool is 100% made in the USA, built by Americans for Americans. To purchase a J-Bar, you can call 248-227-6268 or email jbarproduct@gmail.com. That's jbarproduct@gmail.com.